The 2024 Audi RS7 Performance is a masterpiece of engineering that seamlessly blends luxury, technology, and raw power. In a recent YouTube review titled, 2024 Audi RS7 Performance Review, Should I Buy It?, the reviewer delves into the intricate details of this high-performance vehicle, providing insights into its design, performance, and overall driving experience. Design and aesthetics. The RS7 Performance boasts a striking exterior that exudes both elegance and aggression. Its wide stance, flared wheel arches, and distinctive honeycomb grille are complemented by sleek LED headlights and a sloping roofline, giving it a coupe-like silhouette despite being a four-door sedan. The reviewer highlights the car's aerodynamic enhancements, including larger air intakes and a rear diffuser, which not only contribute to its sporty appearance but also improve performance. Inside, the RS7 Performance offers a luxurious cabin adorned with premium materials such as Valcona leather, carbon fiber trims, and aluminum accents. The reviewer notes the attention to detail in the interior design, emphasizing the comfortable RS Sport seats, ambient lighting, and the intuitive layout of controls. The dual touchscreen infotainment system and the fully digital instrument cluster provide a modern and user-friendly interface for drivers and passengers alike. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the RS7 Performance is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers an impressive 630 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This powerhouse enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, as highlighted in the review. The reviewer praises the engine's responsiveness and the seamless power delivery, attributing it to the refined tuning and the efficient 8-speed Tiptronic transmission. The RS7 Performance's handling is further enhanced by Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional grip and stability, especially during spirited driving. The reviewer commends the car's adaptive air suspension and dynamic ride control, which offer a balance between comfort and agility. Whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, the RS7 Performance maintains composure and delivers a thrilling driving experience. Technology and features. Audi has equipped the RS7 Performance with a suite of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing safety, convenience, and entertainment. The reviewer points out features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, which contribute to a safer driving environment. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, further elevating the cabin's ambience. Practicality and everyday use. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the RS7 Performance doesn't compromise on practicality. The reviewer notes the spacious rear seats and ample cargo capacity, making it suitable for daily commutes and long journeys. The car's refined suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven road surfaces. Furthermore, the inclusion of various driving modes allows the driver to tailor the car's behavior to suit different driving conditions and preferences. Conclusion. In summary, the 2024 Audi RS7 Performance stands out as a versatile vehicle that combines exhilarating performance with luxury and practicality. The YouTube review provides a comprehensive overview of the car's attributes, highlighting its design excellence, powerful engine, advanced technology, and everyday usability. For those seeking a high-performance sedan that doesn't compromise on comfort or functionality, the RS7 Performance emerges as a compelling choice.